Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 6th to 10th July 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So as you can see over here, 0.02% negative move, 1.33425 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small tiny lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 1721 level, which is around borderline oversold area, which is indicating as a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So yeah, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, 1.33425 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.33352. Direct resistance is 1.33560. After direct support, there is a support of 1.33155 and then 1.32892. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.33805 and then 1.34057. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. So these are some levels which will help you to take better stop loss. So here, before I talk about my opinion, if you don't have enough capital and you still want to trade, then I have already given links in the description of prop firms where you can open your account from there and get funded. You have to just pass the challenge, then you will get a funded account where you can trade and get a 80-20 split of profits, where if you earn enough profit or you earn even 1% 2% of the profits, 80% of that profit will be yours and 20% will keep the company will keep. So if you're interested in that, then I have already given link in the description of the platform links. You can use that the link, and also I have given coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, do check that out. Also, if you think these platforms has very strict rule, then you can also use the real account. If you have around $100 to $200 as well, you can directly trade with your real account, that is the GTC FX broker. I have already given link in the description of GTC FX. You can open your account from there and directly fund your trade, where there is no rules. You can easily carry or you can easily buy and sell any trades without any restriction. So if you're interested in that, then do check that out as well. And if you want to know more about it, and if you face any deposit or withdrawal issue, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you with that as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.33560 to 1.33805. If we see a breach of this level as well, then we will be able to see this level, that is 1.3405, 1.34057. Overall, here my expectation is even though positive, but if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 1.3352, that is the direct support, gets breached and a 4-hour or a 1-day candle gets closed below this. If you're going for a weekly momentum only, if you're going for any weekly momentum, once this direct support gets breached with a 4 or 1-day candle closing, you can go for a short till this level. Even you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectations a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations for this week? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.